Charles no kon ema menu ababia wa otemi nkabia Michael Saint Media so ni medi ani Michael Kwajo hina obetimi afremi Michael Saint ene ni just Ghana anya 64 years 6th of March 1957 and Ghana nya independence, and it's been a remarkable time from that time to be seen there. And until Makai Assembly Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Kai on the Independence Day celebration. Okay, I said the independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it is linked with the total liberation of the African continent. And I'm okay. Me just celebrate here the Kai betimi aka say African countries ahodo no bia nya independence and niema ekoso. And until we wish Ghana happy birthday. 64 years. This is how far the Lord has brought us. Nice. But how far have we gone as Ghanaians? From 6th of March 1957, basically the 6th of March 2021. And until you're quite so near my course of a pair. Send Dr. Kwame Nkrumah etiasi. And Obun compound washeneti. The statement of mine on Independence Day 1957 no share now. And can anybody? Dr. Kwame Nkrumah see a young man paying for who do be from the time of independence on the 6th of March 1957. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no ankasa. If you were military leaders who do be okay Joseph Atta Ankara, Kwasi Afrifa ni Ama Olenu, Edward Akufo-Addo, Ignatius Kutua Champon, Fred Akufo. Eba ebedru Dr. Hilary Liman, Jerry John Rawlings, Ebenya John Ajekum Kufuor, Enya John Evans Atamels, Ifruwe Enya John Dramani Mahama, Enya Nana Addo Akufo-Addo Otisu Sisi. But my same bisa ne say if we sabre no be sin na enti ba bia na Ghana ye pese koduru no ya na mo ntutu ne sai na tie e kwa anim ana ejira ba bia ejina and then na ekoso 64 years. I think it's enough say I think ye duru ba bi atra ba bia ye wei, but any ma ho no bebre na ha yen as a nation hwe ya kwan ya ne nam so kwan ni nyina anye 64 years. Is it enough to sort out all our roads? Oh, GH. 64 years. And yeah, enough. So, I'm going to send you a kama. Near no can be our Ghana. 64 years. Yesuku, Ahodo. And then for the free education, Kakra was senior high schools, no me, just as a new wedding here, Kakra. But there are still some schools under trees, sir. 64 years. I was saying, Kayatra. And so, well, I been munya pipe bon water, and then so a year and no. But I may carry say and croak man will be more than some num from so. It is by do one so numpo, and then cheering young cock or numbi and son and Nipa Cosano. 64 years, too bad. What about employment? Ghana, your graduate unemployment association, or your president and the secretary now. A child will say unemployment our high. Oh, Ghana. National policies ban your war as Ghanaians. Near Japan says, "Oh, man, pani be better no free biasia." So when you know free wa for bebanon to us, because you want to say a national policy, and you will be a yenny owns away in a year when you're to Abama here, and your mom mine on quanim. Mamika went say, and another Danko Akufo-Addo Suma Nipa, so one call Rwanda. No go improvement, there cost one from Ghana, or call by a basin day in Nimni or Maye. But why Rwanda? So kaya Rwanda a war-torn country or managed to pan some and I'm to 20. But it took just one person, Paul Kagame, our current president of Rwanda. And within a short time of transforming nation, to a level of be a mama. No wonder see a two the pastor won't come on Kosu. I tell you, for development of Ghana, it needs just one person, a leader that is so ruthless. No, not just over poor minor. Ghana, how far? When you mean we are mobile, no, my young penny for no young son in him, dear. No, no, papa, no, one that person coming out. And in him, dear, 'twas so e moja ye nananom e de brehwie gu oji o man ni si ho e no ne de to aso and there corruption and in your wa ban mu oje ni o pe bibi tia and then so we school mpo na so benya de kira na benya adwuma ya wan tia bribe ba wonya adwuma ne benya. What is happening? 64 years or my kid what is Ghana just about 25 million. You don't know what you're saying. Show mine on your ben yeni. Your cocoa, your diamond, your gold, timber no brother maminja ka bro funa twa nua ni nyina manasa. E sense ka be kwa manfo 70. Mama re visa Ghana your oil. Again nso se ne ye pe no de. But se ne ke ketwa so tie nti ye hweso yi anka be boa ye. And I say to about ye ministers, and ye deputies. The ministers are cast who don't yet to a mom V8 and can name. Minister no core officer, near one than from Pexia Tom no mom. Don't forget about S. Gracia, who do I bet ya. And you'll be by MP, first step, 4 years. When young will be near S. Gracia, or so after 4 years, young when any as yet young. We have the resource society more money developing quite new. A senior Rwanda for a. But what do we see? We're still where we are. And they always say now about where two in a copy court. Opposition no any break EPC to no adji. Unfortunately, the verdict didn't go in their favor. But let me tell you one funny thing. No your opposition, no tiso, no your then. Well, we are no be about yana for the kakras or the body, but no custom pan is a and the idea of the humo. No more benya as a sa go mo who and your bomba hono, and no any yom. No mind on no more dreams. Ghana Yamenodia Moja and anom a sheer de go or in yadi or mine see or my yano, and I was a bomb by. Again, I was here yet, Timon before it's your mind. 64 years, yes, same Subai. The cleanliness, I'm the and yayan. It will be a dear, near Kitano, near pen what watching it. You got a munina, a fin qua, some will be done and I will fear no, but what not got them. Don't do a coast school, I change, I just buy my Juma son. You know, can be a fast so a creative Numa and my home. Let us show the love for our nation. Ghana Yamenodia, who cost Roba for me 1 free. To Quanqua Brute, now quite nationality, there, they will bow 1 free. God bless our homeland, Ghana. And a happy birthday once again. Ghana is 64. 6th of March, 1957. Was the day we had our independence. And 6th of March 2021, 64 years. And I rather seen what you ever do. Anyway, Michael sent to me, I said, and Michael Kwajo here, waiting my friend Michael Saint. And then video and you are a boy as singing, next saw you. Or saw you singing the information in a video here, a prayer, and then imaging the recorder. Or specializing our photography and videography more. And until say, oh, United Kingdom. Maybe I will be now we hear say wedding party be birthday party be and I say our dear be now here say back of amount videos and pictures are good quality never boa. I am afraid imaging the recorder or boa normal good images and videos are one cause I will share with you better. Now Baba to me afraid 073 932 93832 073 932 93832. Imagine the recorder. Number 1, second to none. But I say so now share me. I don't fraud you better us with me and Happy birthday, Ghana. Bye bye.